Of all of the words that I would guess would carry some kind of magical influence or power, I would have never guessed that the word zigzag would be one of them. But that is what I'm going to try to demonstrate today. An amazing effect in which the word zigzag just seems to accomplish the seemingly impossible in bringing order to chaos. Okay, so as you can see, I have the 4 kings in a row, and then I have the 4 queens in a row, and they're lined up by suits. So what I'm going to do is just do everything in a zigzag fashion. Okay, so zig, zag, zig, zag, zig, zag, zig, zag. Okay. From here we'll do a zig, zag, zig, zag. Maybe we'll do another one. Zig, zag, zig, zag. Okay. Why don't we go from there and do a zig, zag, zig, zag. Now how would you like these picked up? Left to right or right to left? Right to left. Okay. Zig, zag, zig, zag. Okay, let's go ahead and deal them out into 4 piles. So we'll do zig, zag, zig, zag, zig, zag, zig, zag. How would you like these stacked? Left to right? Zig, zag, zig, zag. Okay, we can do something quite different involving zigzag. We can do the following. Zig, zag, zig, zag, zig, zag, zig. Okay, strip those out. How would you like these stacked? Left on right? Okay, very good. We can also do the following. We can spread out the cards like this, break it in half, and then do zig, zag, zig, zag, zig, zag, zig. Whoa, okay. And then to finish, I think we'll do a zig, zag, zig, zag, zig, zag, zig, zag. Okay. Now from here I'm going to just put out 4 pairs, of course in a zigzag fashion. That's important. Zig, zag, zig, zag. Okay. And then I'm going to go ahead and do a fun mixing that involves, of course, zigzags, right? Zig, zag, zig, zag, zig, zag, zig. Okay. Zig, zag, zig, zag, zig. Okay. Zig, zag, zig. And then the last one is a big old zig. Okay. Well, how do we know if we've accomplished something surprising? Well, let's just take a look at what the cards are here. Okay, so I don't know if there's anything interesting there for you to see. But, oh, ooh, okay. Well, we reunited the king and queen of clubs. No way! The king and queen of hearts as well? Oh, that is not possible. The king and queen of diamonds? And of course this would, yes, that would have to be the king and queen of spades. How in the world did we do that? Well, we used the power of the word zigzag. And that's a closely guarded secret. But now you know it. So if you perform the very steps that I've shown you, this will work for you every single time. So thank you for watching, and take a look at other videos on the Absolute Math Magic channel.